Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock photos. First, research popular themes and current trends to find profitable niches. It's crucial to understand legal requirements, such as obtaining model and property releases when necessary. Always ensure your images do not contain visible brand names or copyrighted material, as this can prevent acceptance by stock agencies. Focusing on these foundational steps will set you up for success. When shooting, prioritize using a high-resolution camera, such as a digital SLR, to achieve optimal image quality. Pay close attention to lighting, aiming for well-lit scenes without overexposure. Always ensure your main subject is sharply in focus. Capture a variety of angles and compositions for each setup, providing buyers with diverse options. Remember to shoot with the client's potential use in mind. After shooting, subtly process your images to maintain natural colors and tones, avoiding over-editing. Crucially, add relevant titles and up to 50 descriptive keywords to enhance discoverability on stock platforms. Think like a buyer when choosing keywords, and always prioritize the most important ones in the first 10 positions. Accurate metadata is vital for connecting your work with potential customers. For submission, upload high-quality JPEG files that are at least 4 megapixels using an sRGB color profile. Consistency is key. Regularly upload new content to keep your portfolio fresh and increase visibility. Be patient, as building a profitable stock photography portfolio takes time and effort. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Keep refining your skills and adapting to market demands for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.